everyone, welcome to another interesting tutorial. I'm Dami of 𝐓𝐻𝐇. Today we're learning how to make this beautiful blazer dress. It's a short collar double-breasted blazer with side pleats. In our last class we were able to draft out the pattern, so I made this using the pattern we drafted from the last class. So if you missed that, I'm going to be dropping the link in the comment section. If you are joining us for the first time, thank you for joining us today. If you are yet to subscribe, don't forget to click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to get notified anytime we have a new tutorial. For our returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back. If you'd like to join my WhatsApp group, the link will be in the description box. So thank you today, and let's get started. Alright, so in the last class we were able to draft out the patterns of this double-breasted blazer dress. So these are the patterns we got. So this one is for the back, this is for the front, like this. So now in this class now I will be showing you step by step on how to sew the double-breasted jacket with a short collar. So I'll be showing you step by step. So this here is the side pleats that we have for both the front and the back. So these are the side pleats we have here. So I'll go ahead now and cut each of the patterns on the fabric. So for the center front now, we are going to be cutting 4 of these, 2 for the lining and 2 for the main body, so that when we turn in the collar like this, the inside will be the fabric. And also if you want to use a different color of fabric, you can use it as the lining. So if you want to use it, that your turnout will be like a different color. So I'll go ahead now to cut it. Alright, so this is what I got after cutting it out on the pattern. The fabric I'm using is a crepe fabric, but it's quite thick, like it's very thick. So I'm not going to be adding lining, but it's only the front part that we have to double because of the collar. So I have doubled it now, so we have 4 of this, and also I've applied interfacing to all of the fabric. This is the side back, this is the front, this is the side back, and this is the center front. So starting with the center front here now, I'm going to be stitching it down to the hem, then join the sides together. So for this one now, for the front, I'll keep 2 aside as the lining. So I'm going to join the sides together for the front. Then I will use the lining here to turn the center front alone. So we'll turn it on the hem and also at the center front. So I'll bring it back and see what the result is like. Alright, so I've joined all of those together. This is what the inside is going to look like, since we are not going to be adding lining. So I'm going to be weaving all of these rough edges when I'm done sewing the dress. So I've also joined the side. The only part lined is the center front because of this lapel collar, the short collar. So now that we are done now, the next we are going to be doing is to join the collar together and fix it on the back neck. So you bring the collar like this, right side facing the left side. Make sure that the joining here aligns together. So you take it like this, and you are going to stitch it down by 0.5 inch allowance. So when you are done fixing, it's going to come like this towards the end. So you just fix it on the neckline like this. So I'll go ahead now to fix it on the neck. Alright, so for the side pleat now, this is the front pattern that I cut out. So I splitted it, so I've spaced it. So I'll be using spread and slash and thread method. So this is what is going to go for the front pleat. So I'll do the same thing for the back also. So we'll pleat this one to the front. So this is for the 2 sides of the front. That's why my fabric is on fold now. So I'll go ahead to cut it out. Alright, so this one here is for the turning. So I will just fold this one up now and use gum to hold it down. So this thing I did now, it depends on how much you want the pleat to be and how much fabric you have. So when you want to pleat it now, the pleats, okay, let's take a single one. So the pleat is going to be this, like this. You pleat this over like this. So you keep pleating it till you get to the hem. So I'll go ahead now and do the same thing for the front. So you know, this is the front like this. This is what my bodice is looking like after joining the neck. So I will do the weaving when I'm done sewing everything. So this is the front here like this. So you see, I labeled it to know which one is going to the front. So this is the front and this is the side. So it's going to come like this. All of this that I have here will be starting from this joining, this center joining here. I'll pleat all of this to this point here, then I will join it down to the hem. So the back also, I will pleat the back also to this point, join it together on the side. So I'll go and do that now and bring back. All right, so this is what the side pleat is looking like after I've pressed it. So this is the back, this is what it's looking like. If you want yours to be fuller than this, then when you are spreading it on the fabric, you will give it a lot of spaces. So this is what mine is looking like, and this is the other side that we have here like this. So, and also I've gone ahead to fix the sleeve. So lastly, what we'll be doing now is to be fixing the buttonhole, which I'll be doing later. So you can just go ahead and fix your buttonhole. So when you are placing it, don't forget it's a double breasted. So when you are fixing the buttonhole, you make sure that this side joining is like this. You fold your lapel collar, then this is going to come on top of it like this. So this is going to come on top of it like this. So you just fix your buttons around. So thank you for joining us in our class today. I hope you're able to learn something new, and we'll see you in the next class. Bye.